The monstrous steel, MS-880, roared to life, its powerful engine echoing through the forest. The logger stood before a colossal Douglas fir, its trunk boasting an impressive 22 feet 8 inches in circumference at breast height. This giant of the forest had stood for years, but today its time had come. With steady hands and reverence for nature's majesty, the work began.
Damn, I'm good.
Tree felling isn't for the faint of heart. Imagine dangling hundreds of feet up, battling unpredictable winds and the silent threat of rotten branches. This lumberjack's courage? Unmatched. That treetop plunge? Heart-stopping. I felt the adrenaline rush just watching. The mighty big hill, Peter